Subway. How can I help you? I'd like a turkey sandwich on a wheat. And would you like a 6-inch or 12-inch? How big is the 12-inch? Have you ever seen like a ruler? Rule number 1. Don't be stupid. I'd like the jack cheese. The pepper jack. We have American, Swiss, and provolone. So you don't have pepper jack. Rule number 2. Order bread, size, type, cheese, sauces, then veggies. I'd like wheat bread with turkey and cheese of the Swiss and lettuce and oil and tomatoes and cucumber and oil and just pepper. Yeah, can I get like the bread so I could start the sandwich? You know, sandwiches come on bread. Rule number 3. Read some signs for once in your life. Do I order from over here? Rule number 4. Don't leave your kids in the store alone while you go out and buy crap. These rules are all based on actual events, and there are plenty more where these came from.